78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 1. Hebrew is the only language in history that was completely dead and came back to life. It stopped being a spoken language after the destruction of the Second Temple in 70 AD. Only in the late 19th century did Eliezer ben Yehuda begin reviving it, until it became the mother tongue of millions of people. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 2. When developing the Iron Dome, the time and budget pressure was so immense that some of the missile components were taken from a toy car sold at Toys R Us. The system went from initial sketch to combat readiness in less than 4 years, an unprecedented record for a weapons system. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 3. Israel recycles nearly 90% of its wastewater, 4 times more than any other country in the world. Spain, in second place, recycles only 20%. Today, 80% of Israel's drinking water comes from desalinated seawater. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 4. The shore of the Dead Sea is the lowest land point on Earth, 428 meters below sea level. Its salinity is 10 times higher than the ocean, and its age is estimated at around 4 million years. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 5. Dov Moran, an Israeli, invented the USB flash drive that revolutionized the way the world stores and transfers data. The flash drive was small, fast, and incomparably more durable than the floppy disk, and it couldn't be destroyed by a magnet or a scratch. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 6. Israel sits on the busiest bird migration route in the world. About 500 million birds from 550 different species cross Israeli skies twice a year. That's 1% of all migrating birds on Earth, an insane concentration for such a tiny country. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 7. Scientists at the Technion engraved all 1.2 million letters of the Bible onto a gold layer the size of a grain of sugar. The text can only be read with a microscope at 10,000 times magnification. A copy of this tiny Bible was sent to space with astronaut Eitan Stibbe. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 8. Israel is the smallest country in the world with an independent satellite launch capability. In 1988, Israel launched its first satellite, Ophek-1, and became one of only 9 countries with such capability. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 9. The Dead Sea Scrolls, one of the most important archaeological discoveries in history, were found by accident. In 1947, a Bedouin goat herder threw a stone into a cave and heard something break. He discovered 7 clay jars containing 2,000-year-old scrolls wrapped in linen. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 10. Waze, the Israeli navigation app, changed the way the world drives. Google acquired it in 2013 for over $1 billion. The secret? Real-time data from the drivers themselves. Millions of people reporting traffic jams, accidents, and police. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 11. Simcha Blas, an Israeli engineer, noticed that a tree near a leaking water pipe thrived more than the trees around it. From that observation, he invented drip irrigation, a technology used today by farmers in over 110 countries, saving up to 70% of water consumption. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 12. Tel Aviv has the highest concentration of Bauhaus buildings in the world, over 4,000 buildings in the international style. They were built in the 1930s by Jewish architects who fled Nazi Germany. In 2003, the White City was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 13. Gavriel Idan, an Israeli engineer, developed the Pillcam, a tiny pill with a camera that films the digestive system from the inside. It enables diagnosis of diseases that can't be detected by regular exams, and was sold to Covidian for $860 million. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 14. Masada, a fortress on a 300-meter cliff near the Dead Sea, was the last stronghold of the Jewish rebels against Rome. When the Romans breached it in 73 AD, they found that nearly 960 fighters and their families had chosen to die as free people rather than surrender to slavery. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 15. In 1993, 3 Israelis, Gil Shwed, Marius Nacht, and Shlomo Kramer, developed the world's first commercial firewall at Check Point. Today, Check Point is one of the largest cybersecurity companies in the world, and every website uses the technology they created. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 16. Israel has more than 230 museums, the most per capita of any country in the world. In Jerusalem alone, there is an entire museum boulevard in Givat Ram, where you can walk from the Israel Museum to the Bible Lands Museum and the National Library. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 17. Cherry tomatoes originated in South America, but the modern version found in every salad around the world was developed in Israel. In the 1980s, Israeli researchers created a variety with a long shelf life that transformed the cherry tomato from a marginal garnish into a global agricultural product. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 18. Mobileye, founded in Jerusalem, developed a tiny camera that warns drivers of road hazards. Over 15 million vehicles worldwide are equipped with its technology, and 25 major car manufacturers use it. Intel acquired the company for $15.3 billion. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 19. Israel is one of the only countries in the world that ended the 20th century with more trees than it started with. Since 1900, over 250 million trees have been planted. In 1948, only 2% of the land was forested. Today, it's about 8.5%. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 20. ICQ, the world's first instant messaging software, was developed in Israel in 1996 by a company called Mirabilis. The name ICQ is a play on the phrase I seek you. This software laid the foundation for every chat application we know today. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 21. Ada Yonath won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2009 for her research on the ribosome, the biological machine that produces proteins in our cells. She was the first Israeli woman to win a Nobel Prize, and the first woman from the Middle East to win a Nobel in science. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 22. Dr. Amit Gopher, who was left paralyzed in an accident, invented Rewalk, a robotic exoskeleton that enables paralyzed people to stand, walk, and even climb stairs. The system is operated through a wristwatch, and its users have even run the London Marathon. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 23. Israel developed Iron Beam, the world's first laser defense system of its kind to shoot down real threats in combat. The 100-kilowatt laser can focus energy on a coin-sized target from 10 kilometers away. The cost? Just a few dollars per interception. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 24. In 2021, a woven basket with a lid dating back 10,500 years was discovered in the Judean desert, likely the oldest complete basket ever found. The basket survived remarkably well thanks to the dry and stable climate of the desert. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 25. Israel has the third largest number of companies on the Nasdaq stock exchange, after the United States and China. A country of 9 million people competes with superpowers of billions in the number of companies listed on the world's largest technology exchange. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 26. Israel is one of the few countries that conscripts women into military service. Women have served in the IDF since its founding in 1948, and over 90% of military roles are open to them, including combat positions. More than 3,000 women serve in combat units. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 27. The Diamond Exchange in Ramat Gan is the largest in the world. About a third of all raw diamonds in the world arrive here, and laser cutting and polishing technologies developed in Israel are used today by the entire global diamond industry. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 28. Dan Shechtman discovered in 1982 a structure that the scientific world claimed could not exist: quasicrystals. Senior scientists mocked him, and Linus Pauling said there are no quasicrystals, only quasi-scientists. In 2011, Shechtman won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 29. King Hezekiah carved a 533-meter water tunnel beneath Jerusalem about 2,700 years ago to channel water from the Gihon Spring to the Pool of Siloam. 2 teams of diggers worked from each side and met in the middle, an impressive engineering feat for an era without measuring instruments. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 30. Tel Aviv is recognized as the vegan capital of the world, with the highest concentration of vegans per capita. About 5% of Israelis are vegan, the highest rate in the world. Tel Aviv has hundreds of vegan restaurants, including branches of fast food chains that adapted their menus. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 31. At Tel Megiddo, 26 layers of ancient settlements have been uncovered, with the bottom layer dating to 7000 BCE. The site is mentioned in the Book of Revelation as the location of the final battle, Armageddon, which is a corruption of the name Har Megiddo. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 32. Daniel Kahneman, an Israeli who never studied economics a single day in his life, won the Nobel Prize in Economics in 2002. His research with Amos Tversky at the Hebrew University proved that humans make irrational economic decisions, and that changed the entire world of economics. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 33. Eilat is home to one of the northernmost coral reefs in the world. Despite being far from the equator, the reef supports hundreds of species of fish and corals. Research shows that Eilat's corals are more resistant to global warming than corals elsewhere. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 34. Unit 8200 of the Israeli Defense Forces, the Military Intelligence Technology Unit, is one of the largest unofficial startup incubators in the world. Alumni of the unit founded companies like Checkpoint, Waze, and NSO. The Army gives 18-year-olds tech experience that others only get after a master's degree. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 35. The Bahai Gardens in Haifa are a UNESCO World Heritage Site spanning 19 stunning terraces on Mount Carmel. They are the first World Heritage Site connected to a religion born in the modern era. The gardens are meticulously maintained every single day of the year. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 36. At Tel Rehov in the Beit She'an Valley, the world's oldest apiary was discovered. Rows of clay beehives from the Iron Age, dating to the 10th to 9th century BCE. This proves that sophisticated honey farming already existed here 3,000 years ago. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 37. According to the OECD, Israel is the second most educated country in the world. 45% of the population holds an academic degree. Israel also ranks second globally in research and development and fourth in research workforce. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 38. Despite its name, the Dead Sea is not completely dead. Bacteria and microscopic algae thrive in the saltiest water on Earth. An algae called Dunaliella even turns the water red after rainfall, a phenomenon visible from space. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 39. Avram Hershko and Aaron Chikanover from the Technion won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2004 for discovering the mechanism of protein degradation in cells. Their research paved the way for understanding diseases like cystic fibrosis and cancer, and for developing new drugs. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 40. Although Hebrew is the official language, more than 83 languages are spoken in Israel. Immigrants from 70 countries brought their languages, from Russian and Amharic to Ladino and Yiddish. Israel is like a living, breathing mosaic of languages. 78 Amazing Facts About Israel. Fact number 41. Kibbutzim make up only 3% of Israeli society, but their impact on culture, economy, and the military is enormous. The first kibbutz, Deganya, was founded in 1910. This social experiment of communal living is unique to Israel and has no parallel anywhere in the world. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 42. Iron Dome intercepts approximately 90% of rockets aimed at populated areas. The system calculates within seconds whether a rocket will hit an inhabited zone and only intercepts those that pose a real threat, saving millions of dollars in unnecessary ammunition. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 43. 80% of Israel's drinking water comes from seawater desalination through 5 massive desalination plants. Israel went from a country suffering chronic water shortages to one with a water surplus, and now exports the technology to countries around the world. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 44. In the Cave of Horror in the Judean desert, partially mummified remains of a 6,000-year-old child were found. The discovery was made in 2021, and only through CT scanning was the complete skeleton revealed, remarkably preserved thanks to the dry climate. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 45. Israel is so narrow that at its narrowest point, it is only about 14 kilometers wide. Its total length is 424 kilometers, roughly the distance from Haifa to Eilat. Its total area is similar to the state of New Jersey in the United States. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 46. Researchers at the Technion developed a groundbreaking biological implant that can produce insulin inside the body without rejection. This invention could transform the lives of millions of type 1 diabetes patients worldwide and end the era of daily injections. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 47. Netafim, the drip irrigation company born in Kibbutz Hatzarim in the Negev, became a global company selling to more than 110 countries. All the world's major drip irrigation equipment manufacturers are kibbutz-based, a business model unique to Israel. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 48. Israel has more than 6,000 active startups, the most per capita in the world. By the end of 2021, Israel had produced 74 unicorns, companies valued at over $1 billion. 33 of them were created in a single year alone. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 49. Jericho, located in the Jordan Valley, is considered one of the oldest cities in the world, with continuous settlement for about 10,000 years. Archaeological excavations uncovered an 8,000-year-old stone tower, one of the oldest structures ever built by humans. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 50. An Israeli company called Precure developed a tumor-on-a-chip platform that can determine within days which treatment and dosage will be most effective against a cancerous tumor, instead of weeks or months of trial-and-error chemotherapy. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 51. Israel was the first country in the world to legally require solar water heaters on every new residential building, as early as 1980. Today, more than 90% of homes in Israel use solar water heaters, the highest rate in the world. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 52. In total, fragments of about 850 manuscripts were found in 11 caves near the Dead Sea at Qumran. Some contain the oldest copies of the Bible ever discovered, about 2,200 years old. They changed everything we knew about the development of the biblical text. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 53. More than 60% of Israel's territory is desert, yet it manages to export food and feed itself. Using advanced agricultural technologies, farmers in the Arava grow tomatoes, peppers, and dates in the middle of the desert and export them to Europe. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 54. Israel exports more cybersecurity technology than any country except the United States. Checkpoint, founded by 3 Israelis in 1993, paved the way, and today, Israel has hundreds of cyber companies protecting banks, governments, and infrastructure worldwide. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 55. Ein Gedi is a stunning desert oasis near the Dead Sea, with waterfalls, natural pools, and tropical vegetation in the middle of the desert. The site is fed by 4 water springs that burst from the rock and is home to ibexes, hyraxes, gazelles, and wolves. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 56. In 2019, Israel became the 4th country in history to launch a spacecraft to the moon. Bereshit. Although the landing failed at the last moment, Israel was the smallest country and the first private initiative to come so close to a lunar landing. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 57. Israel is one of the world's leading producers of medjool dates. The dates grow in the Jordan Valley and the Arava at temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius. Each date palm yields about 100 kilograms per year, and Israel exports thousands of tons to Europe and the United States. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 58. Scientists at the Technion discovered the ubiquitin system, essentially the cell's garbage disposal that breaks down damaged proteins. This discovery led to the development of new drugs for cancer and degenerative diseases and earned the researchers a Nobel Prize. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 59. Maktesh Ramon in the Negev is the largest erosion crater in the world, 40 kilometers long and 9 kilometers wide. A Maktesh is a unique geological formation found only in Israel and the Sinai. It was formed not by a meteorite impact, but by a unique erosion process. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 60. In 2025, Israeli defense tech startups received government orders worth over $1 billion shekels. Israel leads the world in integrating early-stage commercial technology, like artificial intelligence and autonomous systems, directly into operational military use. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 61. Sabish, one of Israel's most beloved street foods, is actually an Iraqi Jewish Shabbat dish. Iraqi Jews ate fried eggplant and hard-boiled eggs on Saturday morning, and Iraqi immigrants who arrived in Israel in the 1950s stuffed it all into a pita, and an iconic Israeli street food was born. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 62. In January 2026, Israel launched a national supercomputer for artificial intelligence with 1,000 NVIDIA B200 Blackwell processors. The computer is available to tech companies, defense startups, and academic researchers. Israel is making sure it stays at the forefront of the AI race. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 63. Israel, one of the smallest countries in the world, borders 4 different bodies of water: the Mediterranean Sea, the Red Sea at Eilat, the Dead Sea, and the Sea of Galilee. From desert to forest and from snow to coral reefs, all within a few hours' drive. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 64. Eliezer ben Yehuda believes so deeply in reviving Hebrew that he refused to let his son Itamar hear any other language. Itamar ben Avi was the first child raised with Hebrew as a mother tongue after about 1,700 years. He spoke late because he simply had no one to speak Hebrew with. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 65. Gavriel Idden, the engineer who developed the Pillcam, took his experience from developing cameras for Rafael missiles and applied it to medicine. He miniaturized a missile camera to the size of a pill that travels through the digestive system and captures 50,000 images in 8 hours. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 66. Israel has 9 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, from Masada and Ancient Acre to the Carmel Caves where humans lived 500,000 years ago. All of this in just 22,000 square kilometers, an incredible concentration of human history. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 67. Copaxone, one of the world's leading drugs for treating multiple sclerosis, was developed at the Weizmann Institute of Science in Rehovot. The drug helps millions of patients worldwide slow the progression of the disease and transformed the treatment of MS. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 68. Israeli cuisine is a fusion of kitchens from 70 different countries. Immigrants from Yemen, Morocco, Iraq, Poland, Ethiopia, Russia, and beyond brought their recipes, and the result is a unique cuisine that exists nowhere else in the world. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 69. In 1897, Theodor Herzl wrote in his diary, "Today I founded the Jewish state. If I said this aloud, everyone would laugh. Perhaps in 5 years, and certainly in 50, everyone will see it." Exactly 51 years later, in 1948, the State of Israel was established. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 70. Israel is the only democracy in the Middle East with free elections since its founding. Despite being in a conflict-ridden region, it maintains a free press, an independent judiciary, and regular elections, sometimes even too many. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 71. Intel's development center in Haifa designed some of the most popular processors in the world, including the Pentium MMX and Core chips. If you have a computer with an Intel processor, there's a good chance it was designed in Israel. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 72. Israel is the only country in the world where many elevators automatically switch to Shabbat mode, stopping at every floor without needing to press a button. This invention allows Sabbath observers to use elevators without operating electricity. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 73. Israel leads the world in the number of new books published per capita each year. Israelis also read the most books per capita in the world. A nation of 9 million has thousands of bookstores and a deeply rooted reading culture. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 74. Israeli scientists managed to germinate a 2,000-year-old date palm seed found at Masada. The tree, named Methuselah, grew successfully, making it the oldest seed ever germinated in the world. Since then, 6 more ancient seeds have been sprouted. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 75. Israel is one of the few countries in the world where military units adopt stray cats as good luck charms. On many IDF bases, soldiers feed and care for cats, and even give them military ranks. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 76. Waze is probably the only app in the world that allows millions of drivers to report police speed traps in real time. This feature, born in Israel, became one of the most popular in the app and changed the way police forces operate around the world. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 77. Israel is one of the few countries where you can ski on Mount Hermon in the morning and dive in the coral reef in Eilat in the afternoon. From desert to sea, from snow to reef, 4 hours of driving separate ice from coral. 78 amazing facts about Israel. Fact number 78. A country with 9 million people, no natural resources, surrounded by enemies, in an area of 22,000 square kilometers, and still a world leader in technology, science, agriculture, and innovation. Israel is the proof that size doesn't matter, and that with the right vision, you can change the world.